right, so right here in this area is my reception area. It is where I receive my clients and where I do all of my consultations and intake. It is where we chat about all the things. It is my wind down area after the facials, where they can come after and have a hot cup of tea, some snacks, some water. I even have a foot massager under there if you want to massage your feet too.
I love your tea kettle and all of that stuff.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Over here we have the multiple skincare lines that I carry, and I change the shelves out every once in a while, just depending on what's available and what I want to put on display. But here we have that. My licenses are up here, so you know
she is fully licensed.
She is real. This is an official salon, and I am licensed, so everything is legal. I have my area over here, so this little area here is where I promote other brands. I like to support other brands. So there's a few flyers here and cards and some beautiful earrings that are featured in the suite just for Mother's Day. Once they sell out, they will be gone.
So in your suite, how do you decide on which skincare brands you will carry?
Ooh, it's a trial and error process. So these lines, well, this line here, I've been using since I started. And it was actually the line that my esthetician was using on me for my facials. And I fell in love with the brand. I got to go out to their training center and learn more about it, and I just decided that it was a really good fit. It's a progressive and gentle skincare line, which is perfect for El Paso.
Okay.
This line over here, I just brought this in, I want to say maybe early last year, or late last year, sorry. Not too long ago, but I tested it out for almost 2 years.
Nice.
It took me a while, but I like to test it out on my clients, my regulars, get feedback before I bring it in. So that's a big part of it, just testing and making sure that everything is a good fit. And I don't always carry everything from every line because not everything is the right fit. I have to consider the type of skin that I'm dealing with on a regular basis, you know, what my client needs or what my clients need, multiple. And then the atmosphere here in El Paso.
Yeah, I'm just getting ready to say, so what type of, for El Paso, because obviously you have your dry heat, we're in the desert, what do you tend to get more of to treat us out here in this El Paso weather? So
I focus on serums. Right now I'm focused on serums, so that was the reason I brought in the secondary line. And hydrating products. So lots of hydrating, nourishing products, serums for treatment, and masks. So that would be the bulk of it. So having, like, you know, just the basics, your cleanser, your toner, your moisturizer, but making sure that everything is nourishing for the skin and hydrating more than anything. And
you said you tested out on the clients and then they give you the feedback. Do you ever test it out on you, or do you feel like you have to figure out based on them what's best?
No, I test almost everything out on myself. Sometimes there's some things that don't agree with my skin, but you know, I'm pretty well trained on getting it back on track. So, but yeah, I test out most of the products, and it's not always on my face. I may test it on my arms, my back, just to kind of see how it works or what it does, right? Like how it's reacting to the other products, to see how it layers with other products. But it definitely is a lot of trial and error. So it takes a while. There are a couple of lines that are not featured right now. I do have a CBD skincare line, but it's not featured. The clients that know about it can get it, but I have a lot of military clientele that are not allowed to use CBD. So there's that, and then my sensitive skincare line. I've been using that one for years as well, but most of my clients are not using that one, so I don't keep it on display, but it is still available. All right, well, come on into the treatment room. Okay, so this area over here is the changing area. When my clients come over here, I usually step out for them to be able to change, as you know. So there's usually a spa rep hanging here, and you can set all of your jewelry. Afterwards, you can put your spa robes down in that little fancy hamper. Here is a warmer. There's a robe in there in case you get a little
nice and warm.
A nice warm robe to wrap up in, and there's some complimentary slippers for you. And then over here is my ambiance station. So I have my diffuser with my custom blended essential oils. So I change it up depending on my mood, but most people like it. Salt lamp is here just to purify the air, amethyst just for ambiance, and of course something purple.
Of course.
And I like to change it this sign. I usually change it every month and it says something different. So this is for,
skin is sexy.
yes, this will be here through May. Over here is a relaxation area. So sometimes clients want to soak their feet before their session. If I'm doing a foot scrub and they don't want to do it laying down, they can do it here. Or you can just sit here and enjoy some essential oils. There's some affirmation cards and a little graphic on how to do a deep breathing exercise.
I like that.
All right, so this is where I keep all of my products. Everything for the most part is hidden. And then this is the treatment area. So this is my fancy facial bed.
Yeah, that's where it all goes down.
Yes, this is where it all happens. This is where the magic happens, right here.
And then here you have enhancements. These are
yes.
the different enhancements that you provide.
So when you come in, after you change, before you get on the table, you can check off which enhancements you would like to add to the service just to make it convenient. I'll be honest, I forget to ask a lot of times, and some people may not know everything that I offer as far as enhancements. So it's listed here as well as the add-ons. So yeah, lots of options. Everything is all inclusive.
Yeah. All right. Well, you guys, this is Opulent Skin Suite.
Yes.
And make sure you guys leave her a comment. Make sure you guys follow her and like everything that she posts. And transition with her when she does her virtual offerings. Thank you so much for giving us a tour. I'm about to get my facial now. I've been waiting. I've been ready. It is about to go down. So, yeah, you guys can watch this portion and yeah.